Hello friends, welcome back in our channel where we are learning about school management system. In last videos, we have just covered the information regarding these portion. In this video, we'll cover these topic here. So first we'll discuss about the items, like what you need to enter in the item entries. Like I have already created these items to give you a rough idea regarding what kind of item you need to enter. I'm just creating the next entry here. I'm just entering the register, which is from classmate company, and the rate of per register is 80 rupees. And the opening stock, like you have the registers, like 800 registers you have. And then click on save button. You can see that the register is added here with price 80 and 800 is your opening stock. And if you want to edit something in this, like classmate company, I just need to write. So I can write like this and click on update button. So this is the procedure of updating the items. And if you want to delete, you just directly need to click on this delete button, and then you can directly delete the particular items entry. Now next topic is set entries. Regarding this, you can see that I have just created these three sets here. I'm just showing you that this is a sample here, in which I just added eraser, graph paper, notebook, pen, pencil. Like while registering any student in our school, you just need to enter these details, like sample entries. You just need to enter, and these amount will automatically directly goes into the student's account. So this is the need of creation of set entries here. I'll just show you how to create a new entry here. I'm just taking the rough example, so I'm just giving the name also rough here. And if you want to you want to add eraser, graph paper, notebook, pen, pencil, everything, then you just need to use enter here. If you are not using enter here, you will not get the exact rate regarding this. I'm just entering eraser and then click on enter button. Now quantity of eraser to a particular student, like a one student, I'm giving 2, and the rate of a particular price, a particular eraser is 5. So I'm adding this. Now graph paper, 2 graph paper I'm giving, and then notebook I'm giving 10 notebook to particular student. Add this also, and then click on pen. I'm giving 2 pens, and then pencils, 2 pencils, and then register, 5 registers. Like these all are by default added in student's account, so he or she needs to pay for these also. So I'm just creating the set for a particular entries. Next is ruler. He or she wants 2 or 1 ruler. I'm just taking 1 ruler here, and then click on add. And sharpener, I'm just taking 1 and add, and then click on save button. So this is all about creating a set, like a particular set we want to give a student. Then we can directly create the set. You need to add books also here. I'm just giving you the idea. Another option is regarding charges, that is other charges. Like if you want to add charges, like you are purchasing something like lab apparatus, or computers you are purchasing from supplier, then you need to, if you want to add transportation charges, then you can add transportation charges. I'm just giving you the idea. I have just created the transportation charges, which comes under in lab 2, and then the charges must be added, and then click on update. Why it is showing the update option? Because I just click on this option which I already created before. So I just need to click on update button. So this is the main procedure regarding you can update and add the charges. So next procedure, next topic is user management. Like what is user management? Like you want this software, just like anyone in your school wants to use this software, like you can choose like what kind of rights you want to give to them. So you can choose from here, which is comes under in master and user management. I'm just giving you a rough idea. I just show you that all the time I'm using enter here and then click on one here. That means ki I am using I'm just coming under in user management, which has a id and password is 11. So you can see that there is a two more options available here. I'm just double clicking on 11. So you can see that 11 has a full rights to access this software. And if you want to use if you I'll show you the next one, that is admin, and the password is also admin and give full rights. That means admin also has the full right regarding this software. And I'll show you the next one, that is operator. You can see that operator, and the password of operator I'm writing one here. And then you can see that if you click on this button, then operator also have the full rights. But if you are not clicking on this checkbox, then you can change the entries regarding this. Like if you want that this operator only add material issues, stock purchase, user account voucher, and he or she cannot modify anything, cannot delete anything. He or she can view everything. He or she can print also. And these also you can choose according to your school's requirement. So you can set the operators if you want to give full rights to them or if you want to give partially rights, you can change accordingly and then click on save button. So this is all about creation of user management, in which you can give authority of a particular software like a full rights and a partially rights if you want to give. Next procedure in this topic is company info, in which if you want to change any thing like regarding to school name, address, contact number, state, email address, website, everything, like if you want to change anything, you can change here. And if you want to add logo also, you can change add the logo also, and then click on save button. So this is all regarding the master tab, and in which today we just covered the item, set entries, other charges, user management, and company info. So this is all about regarding this. In next video we'll cover about entries related to these topic, and till then just complete regarding school management software. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.